everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy this teeny tiny small video today. It's birthday knitting, well, it's birthday gifts to do with knitting, and happy mail as well. And yeah, I just want to first of all say thank you to everybody for all your wonderful birthday wishes on Facebook, all the emails, private messages of not only birthday wishes but all your prayers as well. They mean a real, I can't even put into words what they mean to me, guys. And even though you all know that I'm going through this very difficult time, my prayers are with you as well for all of those, because let's face it, guys, I'm not the only one who's having a difficult time at the moment. There are lots of you out there who are going through a difficult time too, and my thoughts and prayers are with you too. First thing I want to say is, from the bottom of my heart, to Cynthia, to Miss Jeannie, and of course my Super Magenta V, thank you, thank you, thank you for this beautiful card. And I won't read what's inside it, guys, but inside was this prayer sheet, and it says, "We love you, Jeannie V and Cynthia, hugs." And I just want to read one of the verses, guys, because this is not only is poignant for me. I'm sure it's poignant for a lot of you out there who are going through exactly what I'm going through. It says, "I prayed for you today. I asked God to keep you in the palm of his hand, and I asked him to bring you joy. Just thought you'd want to know." And I did. And I needed that. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, my Yarny Fibers sisters. I love you to bits. And thank you. Especially Cynthia, because I think Cynthia wrote it. So thank you, guys. Thank you. That meant everything. I can't even put into words. So, off Rick, I got... Wait for it. And he left the price on as well. Can you, maybe I'll take it off. You don't want this, you know, I'm a cat. I love cats. I've got 2 cats. He bought me this, guys. What do you think? Isn't it just the damn cutest little thing you've ever seen? It's for my knitting needles, you know, to check this, to check the sizes, guys. Look at that. And then I got stitch markers, but these are special stitch markers, guys. Let me just show you. I think I got a set of 6, and that's what they all sit on. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to hide my face. You don't want to see my face. But they're little kitty cats. Look at them, little kitty cats. Aren't they just adorable? So I got 4 of them with the so I love them. And then he got me this, and I love my plaques. And it reads, "Now that's a gingerbread man," and it says, "The perfect man. He's cute and quiet. He's rich and sweet, and he gives you an if he gives you any trouble, you can bite his head off." Isn't it just the cutest? So I've got to find somewhere to put this. So I was really chuffed to bits with that. And then last but not least, he bought me, in this lovely organza bag, was a skein of yarn from the knitting gift shop. hand-dyed merino silk, 75% organic Falklands merino, 25% silk, 400 meters, 430 yards, 3.25 millimeter knitting needles, and a 3.75. But he got me this pattern that goes with it. Plus, with it, you get the thing to hold your shawl together. Isn't that just fab? And that's the pattern there. It's the Pico Edge shawl, and yeah, and look at that. All the blues and the purples. My Rick knows me so well, doesn't he, guys? So, we all know Bridget, wonderful Bridget. I'll put all the people who I've mentioned, I'll put in the description box below their channels. If you're not new, if you're new to them, please think of subscribing to them, guys. They are amazing. I say it more or less every video. The community, fibre community, are awesome. So that's that, with a nice little organza bag. It came in the organza bag, and then Bridget makes these fabulous project bags. So I saw she'd got kitty cat material, and this came on my birthday, Bridget. It came on my birthday, Bridget. I was like, yay, happy mailing a birthday present all in one. So this is what she made me, guys. This is what she made me. How awesome is that, with all them blinking kitty cats? Can you see them? And she's even got her a queen bag, her little logo, and queen. She on YouTube, she's Bridgets Crafts by Bridget, and it's machine washable, and I can tumble dry it. But I also got, guys, I also got a little notions bag, and I thought, oh, it smells nice, and she put smelly inside it. And I got a little card, and I'll have to show you the card, because I've got a stitch marker. Yeah, I got a stitch marker, guys. Look at that. It's like a crown, because obviously she's Queen Bridget, so it had to be a crown, didn't it? And I got a little thank you card with it. And it says, thank you for everything, love, Bridget. Well, thank you, Bridget. You made my birthday. Thank you. I'm so guys, you know what's going inside this bag, don't you? You do. My little birthday gift off Rick. So this is my project bag for my shawl. I'm not sure when I'm going to get it started, but yay. So this is inside. And it fits nicely. Thank you, Bridget. I am absolutely, hold on. I had to sit and think how to do that. So there we are. Thank you, Bridget. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And then one of my best friends, she's actually Labour, she lives down the road. And now I've been eyeing these up for ages. And she came to see me on Thursday Friday to drop my birthday present off. And this is what she got me, guys. Isn't that fabulous? And I've been eyeing them up, so when I opened the parcel I thought, oh, lovely. And it's in its own little case. And there we go. And it goes to a 6.5, from 6.5 to a 3 millimeter. So, and a little spanner. So yeah, so I haven't had a chance because I've been out, and oh, there's already one on here. There's already one on here. This must be a 2.5, guys. There was already one on there, so that must be a 2.5. So yeah, oh nice, spoiled. So on Friday, Ophelia Talks, Anya, started her autumn crochet along, and it's called Jam Jar Happiness 2022. And I wanted a basket. I've been after a basket to put it in. Well, my mum gave me some money for my birthday, and I got this. This was reduced to £20. So, and it's got a lid on, which keeps, so this is, let me just move everything out. So this is what I did. I've actually done the first 30 rows of the blanket. Hold on, it's upside down, it goes that way. So I've done the actual first 30 rows of the blanket. But guys, it fits fits everything in. There we go. So it fits all my yarn in. So I've got a basket now for all my Ophelia Talks crochet along. So yeah, there we go. Really nice basket, and I love the smell of the baskets. They're really nice. So this is just a quick thank you to everybody for all your thoughts, your prayers, for all your birthday wishes. It's Monday, and I'm off to meet my friend, my bestest friend Leslie, to give her jumper and a sweater and a hat and cowl, which she doesn't know about, so I can't wait to see her. And then I'm going to the hospital this afternoon. This is going live on Monday. I videoed it on Monday, so I want it to go out today. And then on Wednesday, instead of, as you all know, I'm not doing a live this week. I've got a video going out on Wednesday about my trip to Yarndale and the Yarn Festival in Skipton, where Rick took me yesterday morning. We got there really early so I could spend the afternoon with my dad. And I've had a wonderful weekend. Also, before I go, I want to say thank you to Ursula. I didn't make the challenges on Saturday because obviously it was my birthday. Rick took me out for afternoon tea, which was wonderful. And I just popped in to leave a thumbprint to say hello to everybody, and as I popped in she was singing happy birthday to me, so thank you Ursula, that was wonderful. That just made me chuckle. And Rick said, is that Ursula singing to you? And I went, yeah it is. He said, oh how sweet. So from the bottom of my heart, guys, thank you for all your support, for playing my playlists, for all your comments, for your private messages, for your emails. I cannot tell you what they mean to me. So thank you. And as I always say, guys, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, you be kind to you. Bye for now.